Hey YouTubers out there, it's FireLemDude2121. So yeah, it's not a system test yet, or an unboxing video yet. I'll be getting a new alarm soon. It's a Polo. It was so cheap, that's why I had to get it. And I just got a check from my grandmother, and I'm gonna get some fire alarms and some wires for it. Yeah, and I'll be doing the system test soon. And when the other alarm comes, I'll do an unboxing video. Yeah. And the place where I got it from, brand new, is Amazon. And it is a Firelight BG12 dual action Lexicon locks pull. For guess how much? $25 for it. Well, no. I don't know. Let me see. $24.87 plus shipping. Well, that's not added shipping, but still more shipping. Yeah. I can't wait to do a system test or something. Yeah. Peace. This is FireLemDude2121.